Short vowel sound I. In, bin, feen, pin, sin, tin, win, it, bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, pit, sit, ig, big, dig, fig, pig, rig, wig, ID, did, hid, kid, lid, mid, rid, IP, dip, hip, lip, rip, sip, sip, ill, bill, fill, hill, mill, pill, till, will.
Meet Tim, a cheerful fellow full of curiosity and adventure. But he's not alone in his explorations. By his side is his faithful dog, always ready for fun. Together they find joy in the simplest of moments, like sitting in the sun and sharing stories. One day, Tim decides to wear his favorite accessory, a big hat that makes him look quite daring. With his hat perched atop his head, he dives into a project that catches his eye. He begins to dig, each scoop of dirt revealing his determination. Tim digs and digs, pouring his energy into creating something special. And what emerges from the ground? Could it be a wig? No, it's much better than that. He uncovers a big pot lid, gleaming in the sunlight, ready to inspire a new adventure. With a laugh, Tim realizes that great discoveries can happen anywhere, especially when you're digging with your best friend.